Good evening to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the sum of the n terms of an AP. Sum of the n terms of an AP. Now I am taking the let A comma D are first term and common difference of an AP. A and D are the first term and common difference of AP. A is the first term and D is a common difference. Now what is the sequence of AP? So that is the first term is A, the second term become A plus D, third term become A plus 2D, so on. It will be nth term. The nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. These are the first n terms of AP. The Sn is denotes the sum of n terms. That means Sn is equal to A plus D plus A plus 2D plus so on plus A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the sum of the n terms of AP. Now I am taking Sn is equal to, I am taking first last term. So this is the last term I am taking here, A plus n minus 1 into D plus, what is the before term? It is a nth term, we are getting n minus 1. What is about the before term? Before term means A plus n minus 2 into D plus A plus n minus 3 into D, so on. The last term become A. This is a sum of the n terms. It is also sum of the n terms, but it is a reverse order. Now add these two. So we will get Sn plus Sn, 2Sn is equal to A plus A, 2A plus n minus 1 into D plus here A plus D and A plus n minus 2 into D. A plus A, 2A plus we will get n minus 1 into D plus what about the third term and this one, A plus A, 2A plus n minus 3 into D, 2D, this become n minus 1 into D plus 1. The last term here A plus A, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. The first term is 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Second term is 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Third term 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Nth term is also 2A plus n minus 1 into D. How many terms are there here? N terms. So 2Sn is equal to 1, 2, 3, n. So we will get n into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. The sum of the first n terms in arithmetic progression is n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Now in this I am taking Sn is equal to n by 2, here A plus n minus 1 into D. So here it is a plus n minus 1 into D. This is nothing but the nth term of the AP, that is denoted by an. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus an. If you take the an is equal to L, the equation the Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L, where L is nth term of the given AP. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D when A and D are given. So here it is Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L when A and the first term and last term is given. If you know the number of terms and the first term and last term, we are using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. If you know the n A and D, we are using the sum of the first n natural n arithmetic progression. In terms of arithmetic progression, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Next, I am taking the sum of the first n natural numbers. First n natural numbers means 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma so on up to n. It is denoted by Sn. So it is a n terms, sum of the n terms Sn. So Sn is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so on plus n. It is a sum of the first n natural numbers. Sum of the first n natural numbers is here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 so on plus n. It is a arithmetic progression. 1, 2, 3, 4 so on. They are in arithmetic progression. Sum of the n terms. What is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a is equal to 1 and d is equal to 2 minus 1. That is equal to 1. T2 minus T1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a, 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d is also 1. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2 plus n minus 1. So therefore Sn is equal to n by 2 into n plus 1. So therefore the sum of the first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. So if we first example, the sum of the first 50 natural numbers, that means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 50. It is a sum of the 50 terms, that is Sn S50 is equal to, what is the formula? 50 into 50 plus 1 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 25s are. S50 is equal to 25 into 51. So 51 into 25, 5, 25. So 2, 10. So 5, 2, 2, 5. 1, 2, 2, 5. So therefore S50 is equal to 1, 2, 2, 5. The sum of the first 50 natural numbers is 1, 2, 2, 5. If it, another example, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus plus 100. It is a sum of the first 100 natural numbers. The sum of the first 100 natural numbers, that is S100, using the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. So that is 100 into 100 plus 1, 100 plus 1 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 50s are. So 50 into 101, that is 5050. The sum of the first 100 natural numbers is 5050, that is 5050. Next exercise 6.3. Find the sum of the following AP. First one 2 comma 7 comma 12 comma so on to 10 terms. So here given the first term is 2. Here T2 is equal to 7. So D is equal to, common difference, D is equal to T2 minus T1. That is 7 minus 2, that is 5. So and also 10 terms. So N is equal to 10. So here N is equal to 10, D is equal to 5, A is equal to 2. We have the two formulas. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Another one is n by 2 into a plus an. It is a last term is not given. We know the only a is equal to 2, d is equal to 5, n is equal to 10. So the sum of the n 10 terms is equal to, what is the formula? N by 2 into Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So sum of 10 terms, it is denoted by S10, that is equal to 10 by 2 into 2 into 2 plus n means 10 minus 1 into d means 5. So that is a 2 ones are 2 fives are 5 into 2 into 2 4 plus 9 into 5, that is a 5, 4 plus 45. So 5 into 49, 5 into 49, that is 245. So S10 is equal to 245. Next second problem. Here minus 37 minus 33 minus 29 swan to 12 terms. So the first term is T1 is equal to A is equal to minus 37, T2 is equal to minus 33. So common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. T2 means minus 33 minus of minus 37. So minus 33 minus into minus plus 37. Minus 33 plus 37 means 4. So D is equal to 4 and given n is equal to 12. A is equal to minus 37. D is equal to 4. N is equal to 12. So sum of the n terms Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S12 is equal to 12 by 2, 2a, 2 into minus 37 plus n minus 12 minus 1 into d, d means 4. So S12 is equal to 6 into minus 74 plus 11 into 4. So that is 6 minus 74 plus 44. That is 6 into minus 30. So S12 is equal to minus 180. Third problem. Zero 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 to 100 terms. Here the first term is T1 is equal to 0.6 and T2 is equal to 1.7. Common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. T2 means 1.7 minus 0.6, that is 1.1. D is equal to 1.1. Given n is equal to 100. Now sum of the n terms Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S100 is equal to 100 by 2 into 0.6. A is equal to 0.6. So 2 into 0.6 plus n minus 1. 100 minus 1 into 1.1. That is equal to 50 into 2 into 6, 12. 12 means 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1. So here 50 into 1.2, here 11 into 99, so 9999, so 9 18 1 1089, so point, so 108.9, that is equal to 50 into, so 1.011. So into 50, so that is 5 into 1101, so that is a 5505. So sum of the 100 terms is equal to 5505. Next, fourth problem. 1 by 15 plus 1 by 12, 1 by 10 to 11 terms. Here first term is 1 by 15. First term is 1 by 15. T2 is equal to 1 by 12. Common difference is equal to T2 minus T1. 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. So what is the LCM? 60, 12, 15. 3 4s are 3 5s are 4 1s are 5s are 5 1s are 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60. 12 5s are, so 5 minus 4, that is 1 by 60. D is equal to 1 by 60. And 11, so n is equal to 11. Sum of the n terms is equal to Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S11 is equal to 11 by 2 into 2a. A means 1 by 15 plus 11 minus 1 into d, 1 by 60. So that is 11 by 2 into 2 by 15 plus 10 into 1 by 60. 0 0 cancel. So that is 11 by 2, 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6. LCM is 30. LCM is 30. So 15 means we will get 2 into 2, 4 plus 5. So that is 11 by 2 into 9 by 30. So therefore that is equal to 99 by 60. So S11, the sum of the 11 terms is equal to 99 by 60. Here 3 3s are 3 3s are. So 3 20s are. So that is 33 by 20.